What's up guys, today I have one of the most interesting smartwatches on the market. You know, most watches have replaceable straps, but the new Huawei Watch GT Cyber even has a replaceable watch case. There are many different watch cases available, such as Sports, Fashion and Explorer. I have a Sports version with a silicon black strap and watch case. The other features of the new Huawei smartwatch are AMOLED display, GPS, NFC, phone calling, and Harmony 2.0 operating system. You know, the price of Huawei Watch GT Cyber is $225, so it is quite expensive smartwatch. Let's do a full review of this watch and see if it is worth the money. First, you need to know that I have a Chinese version of the new Huawei smartwatch, but it is already available on the global market, for example Mexico. Huawei Watch GT Cyber comes in two boxes. One of them has a watch case, while the other box contains a watch face. First, let's open the box with watch case. The feature of this smartwatch is a removable case. As I already said, I have a silicon black case, but it is more gray than black. There is also a small user manual in Chinese and a special tool to remove a crown of the watch. We will talk about this a little later. In the second box, there is a watch face, as well as a magnetic charging dock and another user manual in Chinese. So Huawei Watch GT Cyber is definitely the most unique smartwatch on the market, because you can take the watch face out of the case. The body of the watch is made of 316 stainless steel, while the back is plastic. The crown on the right side is also metal. By the way, the new smartwatch has a military-grade durability to withstand extreme temperature, dust, shock and water. You can dive down with this watch to depths of 50 meters, so it is really meant for sports. On the back of the smartwatch, we can see heart rate and SpO2 sensors. There are also microphone and speaker around it. They are used to receive and make calls. We will also check a phone calling later in this video. The weight of the watch face is 34 grams, and it is about 57 grams with the watch case. You know, there is a thick black bezel around the display, but when the watch face is in the case, it is not visible. Talking about display, it has a diagonal of 1.32 inches and 466 by 466 pixels resolution. Actually, the screen is one of the main features of Huawei Watch GT Cyber, because it is AMOLED panel with a very high brightness, rich colors and always-on display support. By the way, each watch faces has its own dial for the always-on screen. This is amazing! There are 10 watch faces available on the smartwatch out of the box, but you can upload more from the app on smartphone. The watch faces have names as well as power levels. You can click on one of them and read what the power level means. Let's talk about other functions of Huawei Watch GT Cyber. You know, the new Huawei smartwatch is powered by HarmonyOS. This is probably the smoothest interface on the smartwatch that I have ever tested. I think it is the same as on the smartphones, because HarmonyOS is available for both smartwatches and smartphones. In a quick settings menu, we can see the connection with smartphone, battery level and date, as well as the following functions: screen on, alarm, do not disturb mode, flashlight, lock screen, find phone, drain the water, and settings menu. You can also swipe up from the main watch face to read the new notifications. There are widgets available on the Huawei smartwatch, such as heart rate, SpO2, daily stats, weather forecast, LEP and sleep. The menu with all notifications opens by pressing the crown. You can rotate the crown to increase or decrease the size of the icons. Let's look at the all applications on Huawei Watch GT Cyber. Flashlight, timer, stopwatch, alarm, find phone, weather, sleep, daily stats, breathe, WeChat, notifications, SpO2, workout modes, workout records, stress level, settings menu, NFC cards, high altitude monitoring, running ability index, heart rate, phone calls, LEP, music player, phone contacts, air pressure, and compass. In the settings menu, we can go to Bluetooth and connect the smartwatch to the earphones. Huawei S tag, heart rate strap, speed, cadence sensor, and power meter. Later, I will show you how to connect Huawei Watch GT Cyber to the earbuds and listen to music from the smartwatch. The next menu is Watch Face and Home. Here you can choose a watch face, turn on/off always on display. Raise to show always on display, raise to show watch face, and home layout. Huawei Watch GT Cyber also has themes. You can choose fantasy, electric, digital, sports, and other themes depending on your main watch face and watch case. The display and brightness menu has a manual and automatic brightness, sleep time, and screen on time. In the sound and vibration menu, we can change the volume for ringtone and workout broadcast, change vibration power, mute, and a crown haptics. You can also set a pin on the smartwatch. Huawei Watch GT Cyber has a permission manager, but I don't know what to do here. A smart assistant will give you the tips during the workout. In the workout settings, we can change the volume for workout broadcast, turn on/off always on display, and auto-detect workouts. The new Huawei smartwatch supports heart rate data broadcast. The system and updates menu include Update, Restart, Power Off, Disconnect, Connect More, and Reset. Finally, we can read about the watch face, such as device name, model, MAC address, HarmonyOS version, etc. Now I want to tell you about a music player. You can swipe right from the main watch face to see a weather forecast and music player. In a music player, we can see the name of the song, play pause the music, switch tracks, loop song or play in order, and change volume. You can also go to the More menu to delete a song and choose audio channel. As I already said, you can connect the earbuds to Huawei Watch GT Cyber. You just need to press on pair and then select the earbuds. Now the music will be played on the earphones. By the way, the new Huawei smartwatch has an independent music playback, so you can upload the music on the watch and create your own playlist. So you don't need a smartphone during workout, because the music is uploaded to the watch and the earphones are also connected to the watch. It is very convenient. Another feature of Huawei Watch GT Cyber is a Bluetooth phone calling. The new smartwatch doesn't have SIM support, but you can connect the watch to the smartphone and then receive and make phone calls. Okay, now I want to measure a heart rate and SpO2 level. I am in a calm state right now, and my heart rate is 80 bpm. SpO2 level is 96%. Now let's talk a little about workout. First, Huawei Watch GT Cyber has more than 100 sports modes, such as outdoor running, indoor running, walking, cycling, swimming, and others. There are also different courses and plans available on the smartwatch.
Start the workout. First position, speed walk, 3 minutes. Try to keep your heart rate between 92 and 145. Let's warm up with a fast walk. Warm up before starting the workout to prevent injuries.
So when you start a sport mode, for example running, the smartwatch is searching for GPS. By the way, Huawei Watch GT Cyber has a built-in GPS, GLONASS Galileo navigation systems. When the GPS is detected, the workout is started, and you can see the heart rate, split pace, distance, and split time. On the next screen, there are steps, cadence, and calories. You can swipe next to see the total elevation gain and altitude, heart rate level, average pace, intensity, and training stress. Then you can swipe right to see the trajectory and swipe left to control the music, set the metronome, and check the sunset and sunrise. So I can say that Huawei Watch GT Cyber is a perfect sports watch because it has built-in GPS and very informative workout modes. You know, I didn't find information about battery capacity of the new Huawei smartwatch, but the battery life on a single charge is about 7 days in a light use. What I mean by light use is 30 minutes of Bluetooth calling, heart rate always on, scientific sleep at night, experience 60 minutes a week with GPS on, and new notifications. The battery life depends on the usage habits, but I think you can count on a week on a single charge. Huawei Watch GT Cyber is independent smartwatch because it has built-in GPS, storage for music, connection with earbuds, etc. But if you want to use all the functions of the watch, then you need to connect it to the smartphone. The app is called Huawei Health. In the Devices menu, we can see the connected smartwatch. First, you can upload the new watch faces. There are many watch faces for all tastes. Then you can upload the music to the smartwatch. As you can see, Huawei Watch GT Cyber has 2 GB of built-in storage. In the app gallery, you can install additional apps on the watch, such as radio, games, home workout, and others. There are not many apps here, but I think they will be added. Finally, you can press on the watch to see the settings. Here we see watch faces, music and app gallery again, but we can also go to health monitoring with Huawei True Sleep, activity reminder, continuous heart rate monitoring, auto stress test, and auto SpO2. And then we can enable notifications, find device, set alarm, enable weather reports, add favorite contacts, quick replies, and some system options. So Huawei Watch GT Cyber is a real smartwatch because it runs on HarmonyOS and it has built-in GPS, NFC, storage for music, Bluetooth for connection earbuds and sports equipment. You can even install additional apps through the smartphone. However, the main feature of this watch is interchangeable watch case. You know, the watch case completely changes the look of the smartwatch. By changing the case, you basically change the watch. This is very cool. What do you think about Huawei Watch GT Cyber? Would you buy it? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you soon!